Yo guys, hope everyone's having an amazing day. Today guys, we're going to be doing a backtesting video because we haven't done a backtesting session in a while and it's almost Christmas break coming up, so we won't be trading until close to New Year's. Anyways, what should we call this backtesting? Let's just call it, what's today's day? The 23rd or the 12th? Is that profit firm challenge? 50,000 micros, boom. Let's do January, boom, whatever. We'll do 7%, just a bit over. I think that's around 4,000 in profit. We'll see. Alright. We haven't done a backtesting session in a minute, so and I need some YouTube content to be uploaded. Let's quickly change a few things. Boom. Boom. My phone on silent. Change this to Sydney. Boom. Go to New York. Get rid of this. Why is it not New York yet? There we go. Alright, so first things first, mark out sessions. Highs and lows for each thing, Asia and London. So this will open at 10 AM, boom. 7 o'clock, boom. Now I just want to see London manipulate. Alright, I can see there's manipulation already. We have an order block up here. A 15-minute pre-market order block, which already got filled in. We have this 1-minute gap over here that already got filled in. So I can assume price just wants to come down. But before I do that, I want to see one of these sessions get taken out because there's a lot of manipulation. So this will probably get taken out. Okay. Now there's a 1-minute gap. But let's look on the 5-minute. I'm just looking for a retracement now. Okay. We haven't got no retracement, but we have created a 5-minute gap. From our previous losses, if I see a high time frame gap be formed before the 1 minute, so say a 5-minute gap is formed and then I see a 1 minute plus retracement, I'm not gonna trade that 1 minute gap. I'm gonna trade the higher time frame gap because that holds more power, and I've learned from my losses not to do that. So even though we got the 1 minute gap, let's see if we get okay, we got a retracement. Oh no, that's not even a retracement. Oh, it is. Since we got that retracement, I'm not going to risk it because look how many 5-minute gaps we got. We got 1. So price can easily reverse and take out this gap. But I want it to hit this session. We'll see what happens. Alright. Did we take out like an order block? We did. We respected this 15-minute order block up here. Boom. Created a 5-minute gap. Let's see what happens. Look at this. Okay, this has invalidated that 1 minute, but we've created a 1-minute gap plus retracement. And that is big. Let's see what else happens. Do we get the 5-minute retracement? Okay, we invalidated both of them. Price just wanted to come up, take out this order block here. So you could have went long here, and now I think the main move will happen here. So in that case, I don't think we're going to get a retracement. I think this is just going to plummet down. Oh, we do. Okay. Okay. In this case, what time is it here? This is 2:30. I low-key want a retracement, but I don't think we're gonna get that. I think it's just gonna take out this low. So when it reach, I've seen this multiple times. This is when you guys got to be like, you guys got to follow your rules, but you guys got to be a bit more open. See how this inverse these gaps? I can just trade from that inverse, if you know what I mean, and put my stop loss above this inverse, and the trade may still hit. So I don't think we're going to get a massive retracement in that case. So if it reverses like that, oh, that's way too much. We'll see what happens now. I mean, we got a 1 minute retracement here. But on the 5 minute gap. So I can move my stop loss a bit down. I'm targeting the previous. Alright. This is why you always wait for gaps to be filled in. We got the 5 minute gap. Boom. That's beautiful. Rejected it. Should take out this move now. No, it didn't. In that case, I would have broken even. But we'll see what happens. Actually, that's funny, bro. Look how close we're getting stopped out. That's why you always put it just above here. Oh, and then the main move here. Look at that. How funny is that? We're so close to getting stopped out. That's why you put it above this wick. But we did get the retracement on the 5 minute, which I thought we wouldn't get. That's why you always wait for a price to retrace. You retrace like at 4 AM though, that's the thing. As if you guys are going to be waiting for this consolidation. But that was New York continuation to the downside. I mean, you could have taken to the upside as well, back to the order block. But yeah. Alright, let's go to another session. Wasn't that just Friday? Or whatever. Boom. Boom. Alright. Did Asia manipulate? Yes, it did. It came out, took out Asia highs. Boom. Let's see. Price is just booming up. Alright. That's a beautiful 5 minute order block that was created. There's a 5 minute gap as well. Price will come down to this, retrace up, fill in the 5 minute gap like that. Price is just so, yeah, I'm not gonna even bother taking that. So chopped price. You can just tell, I knew that was gonna be chopped. Monday. Boom. 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 This looks like a straight continuation if we get some manipulation. That's... Came out, took out Asia highs, and then we reversed up. See what happens. This is just gonna keep going up. Once again, I would have been taking that. Barely did nothing. Monday news. No news Monday. Alright. Marking out. Same thing. Mark out Asia session, London session. Boom. Boom. This will be a good session. You can just tell when something is a good session. We just got manipulation pre-macro, which is decent. We're going to take out these session highs. Boom. Created a 5-minute order block. Respected it. Created a 1-minute gap here. You also want to be waiting for your macro, guys, as well. You don't want to be taking trades too early. Alright. Let's see this. We created not a 5-minute gap. Yeah. This looks so similar like last time, eh? If we can get it. Alright. Alright, here we go. So we invalidated that. Now I just want a fresh 1-minute gap. Alright, give me a retracement now. No retracement. Price just plummeted down. Don't tell me it took out already. So I took out all. This is when you guys don't really want to trade. That must have been news or something, no? If we always respect that order block, if we inverse this gap, then price, you can just target these. If we retrace instead of waiting for another order block to be formed. See what I mean? Alright, say we traded this. What else can we target? I mean, we can target when this 4-hour gap though. The most I can see we can target is maybe this high. Oops. Down here. Based on that 1 minute, but you're gonna have to de-risk a lot for this. So like, this is risky though. This is why I wouldn't trade this. Even 500 is too much. I'll be risking like 2. Because this, look how many gaps NQ has now on the 1 minute. That's why I'm a bit skeptical. But since we're backtesting, let's just see how it will play out. This can reverse immediately and fill in all those gaps. Oh, we ended up hitting it. Lucky. That's if price is moving down that quickly. I mean, you're going low RTAR or targeting with very minimal risk in that type of sense. But alright, doesn't matter. Let's go to Thursday, 9th of January. Boom. 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 Came out, took out Asia highs, reversed. This looks like New York continuation to the upside. It's on the 5 minute. Boom. Respected that 5 minute order block. See what happens when New York opens. Okay, that's good. Took out one of the sessions. Price is so chopped. It looks like price just wants to come up. We filled in this 1 minute gap here. It's 2 AM. But I want to be careful of that order block. Just see, you guys want to be careful until we come up, break up that high. What time was this? 1:52. So you can't even trade this. I don't know how you're supposed to predict. Okay. It came up a bit high. We broke out these highs, alright. We got the 1 minute retracement. If we respect it. Oh, we didn't respect it. I was going to say if we respect it, you can easily target these session highs, but price is just all over the place at the moment. Like, you can't even trade this. Not gonna bother. Pretty dead price action, eh? Boom. 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 Came up, took out Asia lows. Boom, 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 boom. So we got some manipulation. On the 1 minute, wait for one of the sessions to get taken out so we can determine our bias. Boom, we took out that session. Boom, okay. Let's look on the 5 minute now. What is price trying to do? What is price trying to tell us? Price is trying to tell us that it came up, respected this pre-market order block. Boom. We're on the 1 minute. We want to see this get respected now. Why does the time go to 10:17 for? Whatever. I want to see price respect that 1 minute gap. Well, we broke our new low. We respected Didn't respect nothing. Oh, we respected this 5 minute, which is amazing, better. So, a bit late to it, but we can target like this. That's negative RR. So, put it just above here. Oops, why is it only that? Normally I'll put it over there, but since it's negative, we'll do something like that. Oh, that was pretty quick. Immediately take it out. Alright, let's go to the next session. Bro, is this like... You know what? January hasn't been too bad. 2025. I started my trading journey January 21st. Boom. 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 Beep. Bop. Pow. Came out, took Asia high, started reversing. Five-minute order block being built. Bro, there's order blocks the upside and the downside. So this is why we wait for this session to get hit. Okay. Retapping into this order block. Is it going to reverse, or it might reverse now? No, okay. 2:04 a.m. So what I meant, we came up, took out this pre-market order block, came down. Is there any 4-hour liquidity or anything, or do we miss the trade? If it loads. Damn, it's not gonna load, alright. There's this 1-hour gap. I mean, that might want to get filled. I already got filled. Anyways, we gotta wait for a 1 minute to retrace back into this. Or a 5 minute. I mean, respect to this 1-hour order block here. Think you can get a retracement? Alright, boom. 1 hour's looking good. Let's get a retracement now. Okay, never mind. If I really wanted to take this trade, I can say this 5-minute order block got filled. Validated that. If our 4-hour loaded, we can target like a 4-hour something. But it just does not want to load. Anyways, if I really wanted to, I can target, bro, this, literally this. Huh. How funny is that? I won't be selling 18, bro. Because I know this will come up, take out that session. Put above this gap. That's a negative RR, so let's see. It's a bit risky. Just look at the time, 3:32. Alright, and that... Oops, I wanted to break even on that. I would have clicked break even if I saw that. Just look how many gaps we got to be filled. I wanted that to get hit. That's already taken out liquidity. I'm going to get stopped out here. Oh, never mind. We got lucky. That will, I'll move that to break even. Skip it. Get break even. That's a mad trade, to be honest. Order block here. Filled in. No 5-minute gaps. Would have traded on the 1 minute. But that trade was a bit risky because... Oops. Where did I go now? Oh, I cleared it. Didn't take out the bottom and took out the bottom of the candle. So maybe go for the bottom of the candle, but it doesn't matter. $130. 10 o'clock. 7. Boom. 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 Came up. I got pins and needles. We came up, we came down, sorry, took out each of lows, continue going down. So we got manipulation. Let's go on the 15 minute. We have this order block that keeps wanting to get filled. Let's go on the 5 minute, see what price wants to do. Filled in that 5 minute or 15 minute order block. If you can break higher than that, that'll be amazing. Oh, dang it. Filled in this 5 minute here. We can come up from that. Okay, beautiful. Confirmation, beautiful. Go on the 5 minute, beautiful. It's a bit too late, but we can target something like that. I'll do trading stop loss, buy, take profit. Oh, stop loss here. Take profit up here. Alright, normally my first TP will be up here. We're gonna wait. Move it to... Damn, what just happened? Might hit this loss yet. And let me talk out that. I wonder why. And that's at 3 AM as well. I guess it just happened. We filled in this gap here. No, before it didn't, so I'm not sure. That looks bullish to me. He's already taken out all these highs. and then he got hit. Huh, how funny is that? That's why if you don't get it from the main move from the start, that's why trading pre-macro or like having an order block from London session is a bit off. I should have waited. I didn't wait for these sessions to get taken out. That's the thing. That's why I always go wait for one of the sessions to get taken out. So reversal like that can happen, and then the main move. So order for my order block. Order for. Still, there would have been no retracement here. Oh, that's on the 5 minute. That's why. But let's see on the 1 minute. Came down. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we got the retracement here, so you could have targeted this, I guess. Boom. 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 Marking out sessions. We haven't got London consolidation yet, which is alright. Boom and boom. Came out, took Asia highs. This looks like a continuation to the upside. We have this order block down here. We're gonna wait for one of the sessions to get taken out first. Filled in that order block up here. Boom. Boom. See what happens. See. We're getting a retracement back to the 1 minute. Let's see. It's just retracing to a 5 minute. No, the main move is happening now. That's perfect here. We got this 1 minute gap. Hopefully. Okay. Boom. Let's see if this hits. Buy, sell, TP. Hopefully it just doesn't reverse now. Oh, of course it does. Why though? I don't understand. I don't understand how that happened. Oh. I don't understand how that happened. I'm trying to think. Building this. Let's see my daily buys first. That's why you guys gotta wait. I need to wait for the actual order block to get filled. Like this one, we did get filled. Taking out that. But then we get no retracement. We did get one here. Should have entered from here. And then target. Longs. So like that. Yeah, not trading that. I don't want this video to get too long, but we'll see what happens. 130. Boom. 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 Came out, took out your highs, immediately reversed down, which was manipulation. I want to see one of the sessions to get taken out first. Okay, we took out the session 154. Could have targeted that. No, actually, no, we couldn't. Now price is just, yeah, how do you even trade this price action here? Now the breakout happens. Boom. Do we get retracement? No, we don't. We can get the 1 minute retracement. Was that a 5 minute here? Invalidated that, so we don't trade. Boom, 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 boom. You can't trade that price action. How do you even do that? Yeah, not trading that. Markout sessions, boom, boom, boom. Same thing. Wait for one of the sessions to get taken out, boom. It's 4 AM already, so you can't even trade that. None of the sessions, you know what I mean? Well, I chose the worst month to do a video. This will be the last trade. The video's gone overboard. We don't even get no manipulation, so I'm not gonna even bother. No manipulation here. I can just tell. Alright, here we go. Boom. 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 Came out, took out. No, bro, we didn't even get no manipulation. Let's just try trading it, see what happens. Alright, we took out that high. Waiting for a retracement back to that water block. Like, it's so, I don't know, I can't. There's no retracement. I hate trading this. Oh, on the 15 minute. These. Sometimes it can be good and sometimes it can be bad. Like you'll sometimes catch one of these clean sessions like that. That just plummeted down. Boom. Boom. No manipulation once again. Let's try trading it. Wait for one of the sessions to get hit. See what I mean? It was just one move up. Like, you know what that's hard to like trading when just consolidation. Boom. 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 No manipulation again. Are you serious? Oh no, there is, sorry. Okay, boom. We took out this 5-minute order block. That's a good sign. Let's go on the 1 minute now. Created a massive 1 minute gap. Let's get a retracement. And a candle closure. Boom. Another. No, we didn't. Okay, we did. Boom. 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 This will be the last trade. We'll go with more risks. How's it? Alright, or whatever. Oops. We got pumped. Oh, that's the end of that session. That was a continuation to the upside. So we reversed up after we took out Asia lows. Just waiting for entry. I thought we were going to take out that. Well, that is it. Besides that trade that made us lose. How's that still a 60% row? That's still like that loss was unnecessary, that unnecessary risk. Right, that's like a 70% win rate, 75%. So that's alright. Besides that loss. It took 1, 2. Took a lot of break evens. 3. Took 3 losses, 4 wins. Ass. Not bad. Anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That live backtesting raw session. So I didn't want this video to be 44 minutes long, but it is what it is. So enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.